Be honest with me. How many times have you told yourself that you'll start working out tomorrow and then that tomorrow never comes? I'm sure this is something with everyone that happens to everyone. It has happened with me as well. I just think I know what are the things that I am supposed to be doing, but then I don't take any kind of action. So I just say ki I'll start tomorrow, let me do it tomorrow, and then that tomorrow never comes. Even if weeks and months pass by, that tomorrow never came. So the same thing happened when I wanted to start working out again. So previously I was working out every single day, but then due to some you know things, due to my routine and my schedule, I couldn't incorporate working out. But then now I have actively started doing it again. But then before I started, I did not have that motivation to keep going. I did not know. One day I used to do it, and then next day I used to feel like, let me do it. Who's going to do it? Nobody's going to watch me do it. So let me just, chill. So that's what used to happen. But what I did was, the next thing that I did was taking public accountability. I see, you cannot rely on motivation alone. There should be some sort of external factor that would make you keep going. It is consistency that matters. It is, see, motivation come and go every single day. You cannot just rely on that. So what I did was taking public accountability. I posted a story every single day. I thought of posting, I mean, I'm still doing it. If you look at my YouTube, you can see my post. I do it every single day when I'm working out. I just post a story so that it's not for external validation, you but I'm doing it for yourself. Because what if there is someone that is, getting motivated just because I am doing it? Okay, people might get inspired. I don't know, I have not even checked if that post has got any kind of comments, any kind of likes. But you never know, there might be people who go through your videos, who go through your post and get inspired in some way or the other. So be that reason. So that's what I have done. So I just take a video of myself. You can do it anyway. Either you can take a video, you can take a picture, but make sure that you're doing it in the public eye. So that, see, you can lie to yourself, but you cannot lie to the public. When you know there is someone that is watching you, then you'll do it. You have to do it no matter what, because people are watching you do. So that's why, take that challenge. Do things in the public eye. It doesn't matter even if you fail. See, but if you have to have that thing in your mind ki, yes, I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do it in the public eye. With, you know even though if I'm going to fail at it terribly, it doesn't matter, but you are going to do it. So post a picture of you working out every single day. It doesn't have to be fancy. Again, either you're going to a gym or you're, working out at home. It doesn't matter. Just take a picture of yourself. Once your workout is done, take a picture and post it on either Instagram or YouTube, whichever platform that you like. Let people see. Again, if I say this, then there are a lot of people who are shy and introverted, who do not like people to see them. Do it for yourself. Maybe you do not have to post it publicly, but you can just, there's this option on YouTube where you just have to do it privately. You can just post it privately. You can do it as well. But then another tip that I would give you is, if you think that you are shy and introverted, you do not have to post picture of your face. You can just do the equipment. That's what I am doing as well. So it's not that I'm shy or introverted. There are times when I don't like to show my face. So what you can do is, you can just take a picture of anything that you like, but there should be some sort of proof that you have done the workout today. Also, there's this app called Fitmask, where there is an option for you to take the picture of yourself working out, and also you have to log in all the details, like how many, what is the duration that you worked out, when did you start, how much calories that you burned, and all of those things can be done on that app as well. So do this particular, take this as a challenge and do this thing for at least 21 days. If you can do it more, 66 days, because research says that at least if you do, if there is, if a habit, if you have started a habit, then you must do it for at least 66 days for it to, actually establish as a habit. So do it for 66 days, if not at least 21 days. Then you do not need any kind of external motivation. Even if you stop doing it later, doesn't matter, but you have to get that start somehow. So make sure that you do it, and then later you can do it automatically. See, when I say you doing this in the public, I'm not saying that you do it for external validation or people commenting on it or liking on it. No, it's because it, rewires your brain, because you think that there might be someone who's watching me and getting inspired. You never know. Even though they do not comment on your post, do not interact with your post, doesn't mean that nobody is watching. There might be someone who's silently watching you and getting inspired. Maybe you could be the reason for them to, get up and start working out. So be that reason and do it in the public eye. That is something that I would tell you. So if you try out this thing, you can do it for anything. It's not only for working out, but I'm doing it for exercise. So you can do it for, maybe there is a new habit that you want to cultivate. Maybe you want to start journaling every day, or you want to meditate every day. If there is any new habit that you think you do not have the motivation to do it, then do it in the public eye. It could be anything. Maybe you can take one or two habits a day, and then do it in the public eye. Take a simple picture of it, you doing it, so that it rewires your brain that this is what it is, and you're doing it in the public eye by taking public accountability. So this is something that I would highly suggest for you to do if you feel that, that tomorrow never comes and I'm just stuck over here. So yeah, public accountability it is. So do let me know in the comments if you try out any new habit using this challenge. Take this as a challenge and do it in the public eye. If you do that, please tag me so that I can see and I can cheer you on your path. And yeah, let me know, and see you soon. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you like such videos, and let me know if you want any other videos that you want me to post and talk about. Bye bye.